Hi everybody, here is my review on this 11-ounce manual coffee grinder. I love this thing, it's wonderful, and it comes with its own cleaning brush, crank handle, and a little fastener to hold the handle in place, a little silicone top that goes right there, and it has a little extra 11-ounce glass jar for extra storage, and it's very easy to adjust. Let me pull this closer for you. This little bracket comes off, and then you turn this spindle lefty-loosey, righty-tighty for coarse or fine, and then you put the spindle back on top. Sometimes it gets a little bit finicky, and you have to play with it a little. And then you put your handle on first, and then the fastener just screws right on top there. Da, 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 da. And once that's in place, you're ready to go, and that's it. Now I am grinding up some millet, which is a type of cereal grain. That's the whole millet, and I'm making flour out of it, so I'm got it set to a very, very fine grind. And you want to get both hands on this thing because it's hefty. Alright, let me show you this. I've already ground some up. Alright, here we go. So this, again, this is millet flour. And this is going to come out very, very powdery, very fine grind. Look at that. That is perfect flour consistency. So again, I'm very pleased with this grinder. It's actually my favorite right now. I have two other types of coffee grinders, and I highly recommend this one. I really do. And I just want to thank you guys for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and hit that thumbs up button. Take care.